Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the nested loops in detail. So, what is a nested loop? When we have a loop inside another loop, we call it as a nested loop. So, where are we going to use this nested loop? If we have a sequence in which each element is another sequence, we use the nested loop. The nested loop can access each individual element inside another element. Nested loop can be used in both while and for loops. Now we will look at an example to have a better understanding of how a nested loop works. So in this example, we have created a list L which has two objects, which in turn has three objects each. Now we have a first for loop which will iterate to the list L and fetches the first object, which in turn is a list by itself. Then the second for loop which will iterate through the list and fetch the first object and prints the object. This process is repeated for each element inside the list. Once the program loops through the element, it exits the for loop and moves to the next line of the program, which is the program ends print statement. Let's run this for loop and see how the program behaves. If you guys notice, the first for loop assigns the first object to the temp variable, and in the second for loop, the value inside the temp variable is looped and the block of statement is executed. This process is repeated till the final object in the list, which is example 2, and the loop exits and moves to the next line of the program, which is the program ends. We can write the nested loop using while loop as well. So when we have a loop inside another loop, we call them as a nested loop. I believe you guys understood the concept of nested loop in detail. See you guys in the next video.